In this video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So the first step is to simply tap on more. So as you can see, I have the app opened on my mobile device. So simply tap on more, and then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and go to your settings. Now here, you're gonna have to simply tap on security, and here you have the two-step verification page. So as you can see, you have different options. So you have authenticator app, email, and hardware security keys. Now on my account, I have only email enabled. So basically, if you want to know on which email you have the verification, the two-step verification turned on, you're gonna have to go back, then simply tap on account info, and basically this is the email that it's linked to your two-step verification. Now, if you want to change this, simply tap on this pen icon, and then you're gonna have the option to change your email. Now, you're gonna have to go back and tap on security, and then here you're gonna have to again disable this option. Now, as you can see, you're gonna have to confirm this, and then you're gonna receive a code on that email address. So I'm gonna go back here, and as you can see, we have here the code. So let me enter the code really fast, and then we're gonna have to simply tap on verify, and basically that's it. Now, if you have this one enabled, you probably have this app installed on your phone, so you're gonna have to simply open it, and then you're gonna find the code here in this list, and then you're gonna have to do the same process. So basically that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.